I do to manage my multiple accounts, if you click on the account name, you can, in a single browser window, you can sign into multiple accounts at the same time, but I don't recommend doing that. The reason is it starts to get confused about which account you want to use at which time. So instead of using multiple accounts in Google Drive, you can actually go into Chrome. So if you click on the top here, there's 3 little hot dogs. That's the settings option. And if you open up settings, you can actually create multiple users of Chrome. So under here, users, if you're the only user set up for Chrome, you'll see you are the only user. You can add a new user. And you get to pick an icon. So I'll call this one, well, they suggest names as well. So I'm going to create a brand new user. And this is going to open up a whole different Chrome browser. This is not signed in yet. You don't have any apps. You don't have any extensions. But what this is going to do is it's going to allow you to have one Chrome session as your personal account and one Chrome session as your work account. And if you look on the sidebar here in my Windows taskbar, you'll see I've got a Chrome session up here. I've got one here. I've got one here. I have my Hangouts open, and then I've got another one here. So right now, I'm actually running 4 separate instances of Google Chrome, which is why I'm getting a sad little folder icon, because I'm definitely asking my computer to do an awful lot all at once, but with the webcast and everything. So if you look in my Chrome browser here, so if I look in the top left corner here, I'm using right now my Google Education Trainer account. I've got Learning Bird, which is my little cat, because they don't have a bird icon, and then my personal account set up there. And what that lets you do is it lets you operate multiple accounts all at the same time without getting that multiple sign-in on Google Drive. So you can see I'm actually only signed in to my Google Education Trainer account on this one. And then in other users, I'm actually set up to use other users in different Chrome browsers. So what I can do is I can actually share items between my accounts, which is why you see James Peterson has shared an item with James Peterson. Mm-hmm. And what that does is it basically lets me work on any of my shared stuff from any of my accounts without needing to switch back and forth, but it lets me operate multiple accounts all at the same time. Does that help you, Cindy?
Yeah, that's a nifty thing, especially like the pinning the tags, which can be very helpful.